Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnails using AI websites in less than 10 minutes. These AI websites are free to use and I'm going to show you everything in this video. Of course, you can use your mobile phone or your laptop. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have to come here to your Chrome browser. However, you can use your PCs or your laptops to do this. Alright, so you'd come here and type ChatGPT. And here in ChatGPT, you're going to be creating a prompt that you'll be asking ChatGPT to help you create a thumbnail. Alright, so you come here and paste this. Alright, so of course I'm going to be leaving the text of this prompt in the description so you can easily get access to it and use it. Alright, so this is what it says. I'm making a YouTube video on how to grow a YouTube channel in 30 days. I would like you to provide me some thumbnail ideas with super detailed image prompts, which should include image type, background settings, main subject, text replacement, and style and overall mood of the image. So basically this is how I want ChatGPT to create a thumbnail for me. So I'll come here and send this, and in a couple of seconds to minutes, ChatGPT is going to be giving you like a full detail of how this should go. So once ChatGPT has been able to create this for you, you just have to like take a little time to go through it and see the one that fits your your description and the one you can work with. So I would come here to copy this. Alright, I'll come here to copy this number 2. For the sake of this video, let me use number 2. So I'll come here and copy this, and the websites we're going to be using is Ideogram. Ideogram is a website that helps you create or generate AI images, that is from text to AI images. So once you come here to Ideogram, you would see that there are so many prompts that people had already created. So you just come here to where you have the add button and come here to type in your own prompt. So right here you come here and paste it. So but before that, you just come here and tell Ideogram that please this create a thumbnail. You can just write create a YouTube thumbnail for me. Alright, for stop. So here the image type is photo manipulation, the background a YouTube setup, and blah blah blah. So this is all the things you want it to do for you. All of it, you just list it here. So you just select this and select that. Alright, so once that's done, you can then come here and make sure that you have the ratio 16:9 selected, and then you go ahead to hit the generate button. So in a couple of minutes, you're gonna see that the AI is currently generating your work, and you're literally gonna see it right here once it is done. So you can see right here, it has been able to generate something for you. So you can see right here, once you've been able to paste any prompt here, you just go through the prompt and make sure that the prompt is actually saying what you want it to actually do, and then make sure that your aspect ratio is selected, and then you can come here and click on generate. So you can see right here, it has been able to create a really nice thumbnail for us easily right here. So from 0 to hero in 30 days, from 0 to hero in 30 days. So these are all of what we're able to create right here using the AI. So if anyone you want, you can just go ahead to download it. So this is how you download. You hold it and then you get to click on download and it begins to download. So once it has downloaded, you can come here to this website called thumbsup.tv. so it just helps you to literally see what you have created and how it's gonna look like. So you come here and select it. All right, you come here and select it right here. All right, so you can come here and put a title, but then when you put it, you can see how it looks like real time on YouTube. This is how it's gonna appear on YouTube, and trust me, when people see things like this, they definitely are going to be clicking on your work. So you can see how interesting it is to create thumbnails easily using AI. So I believe this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to smash the subscribe button of my channel, and of course I will always wish to see you in my next videos. Do have a wonderful day, and bye for now.